This video shows you how to create trend lines in Qlik Sense. First, add a line chart to your sheet. As a dimension, we add stock date. Then, as a measure, we use the max chart function to find the highest value of the aggregated data, in this case, the stock price. Then we add another measure. In this case, we use the linist_m chart function. The linist_m chart function returns the aggregated m value, also known as the slope, of a linear regression defined by the equation y equals mx plus b for a series of coordinates represented by paired numbers given by the expressions x value and y value iterated over the chart dimensions. Then we add the linist_b chart function to calculate the b value of the series. The linist_b function returns the aggregated b value, also known as the y-intercept, of a linear regression. As you can see, this creates a linear trend line calculated with the expression we have added to the trend measure. In the second example, we will create another line chart that uses the stock date as the dimension and the max chart function for the stock price as a measure. But in this chart, we will add a second measure. The range AVG script function, which will return the average of a range. In this case, the range average is calculated with the values 0, 30, which will limit the results to a 30-day time period. As you can see, this will return a trend line that will reflect the 30-day average. This function also works in a combo chart, so if you copy and paste the chart and convert it into a combo chart, you can see the trend lines applied to the new chart. You can then choose if you want to show it as a bar, a line, or a marker. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.